The opening of Royalmount, the luxury megamall in Midtown Montreal, is poised to revolutionize the city's retail and cultural landscape. This ambitious project, set to launch in the summer, promises to be a game-changer for Montreal, blending opulence with a commitment to sustainability. The vision of Royalmount. Royalmount is more than just a shopping destination. It's designed to be a comprehensive lifestyle hub. At its core, the mall will host an array of world-renowned luxury brands such as Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Tiffany & Company, each establishing flagship stores. These high-profile inclusions are expected to attract not only locals from across Quebec, but also visitors from neighboring provinces, elevating Montreal's status as a premier shopping destination in Canada. Architectural and environmental innovation. One of the most notable features of Royalmount is its commitment to environmental responsibility. The developers have incorporated green building practices to minimize environmental impact, setting a new standard for eco-conscious construction in retail spaces. Additionally, the mall will feature an innovative aquarium designed by Ecorecrio Group, known for their eco-friendly approaches. This aquarium isn't just a display of marine life, but an immersive experience that educates visitors about aquatic ecosystems and conservation. Strategic location and cultural significance. Strategically located in Midtown Montreal, Royalmount is perfectly positioned to draw in a diverse crowd. Its accessibility is enhanced by excellent connectivity to major transportation routes, making it an attractive destination for both shopping and cultural experiences. Economic and cultural impact. The introduction of Royalmount is expected to have a significant economic impact on Montreal. By creating numerous jobs and attracting international tourists, the mall will contribute to the local economy in a substantial way. Culturally, Royalmount is set to become a landmark that represents a fusion of luxury, art, and environmental stewardship, offering various cultural programs and events that enrich the community. Looking to the future. As Royalmount opens its doors, it is set to redefine luxury shopping in Montreal. The developers have laid a foundation that could set trends globally, particularly in how malls can integrate luxury with sustainability. The future may see other developments taking inspiration from Royalmount, particularly its blend of high-end retail with environmental and cultural consciousness. Conclusion. Royalmount is not merely a development project. It is a bold vision brought to life. It represents a forward-thinking approach to urban development, blending commerce, culture, and sustainability. As it launches, it promises to be not just a mall, but a beacon of what the future of retail can look like in an increasingly eco-aware world. With its doors set to open this summer, Royalmount is on the brink of becoming a revolutionary landmark in Montreal's urban landscape.